Okay, so the way to make sure that your page is able to find, or your HTML document is able to find the image, is to make sure they're in the right place. So this is your folders. If you look at your extras, your background should not actually be in your extras folder. It should actually be over here in your images folder in your Project One website. So I'm going to go ahead and put it into your images folder. Okay. Also, your index should not be in an index.html file. It should actually be out here in the regular folder. So I'm going to get rid of that index.html. Okay, so now we have Project One website, fonts, images, JS, and these two documents. Also, your Project One underscore website underscore bartolini should not be called that. It should be called index.html. It needs to be called index for it actually to work when you upload it. Okay, so now it's called index. Now I have my image in my images folder. If I go into Dreamweaver or any of your different text editing programs. Okay, so if I want to put in my background, I go into your CSS, and let's say I want to put in my body. So over here I have background color, but let's say I want a background image. So I do background dash image colon, and it tells me I can browse. If you don't have Dreamweaver, I'll show you what the code is for it. So I'm going to browse. If you do have Dreamweaver, you can browse for it, but I'm going to show you what happened if you don't have Dreamweaver. Okay, it's in my website folder, it's in my images, here it is. Okay, so if you do not have Dreamweaver, then you need to type this in. It says URL, and then there is a parentheses, and then it needs the path to your file. The path to your file in this case is the images, and then a slash, because it tells you to look in that folder called images, and then the name of your file, which is background.jpg. That should work. So now if I save it, let's see. Yep, there you go. You have a background image now. Okay, so that's the way you do a background image. In terms of centering your page, we're not centering pages yet. I haven't taught you guys how to do that. So I have this rule that's called quicksand, which is you can go and try to do it on your own, but it's not something that if you get into a mess, I will help you out of. The reason is because there's just so much I'm already teaching you at this point that we'll learn how to center next project. And so you don't have to do it for this project, and if you choose to do it, then it's kind of outside of what we've learned in class. Okay, good luck.